Nice!
Yun lang ang alam namin.
Jed Explorer!
Guys, ano to, commercial. Okay, the person is right there.
The owner.
The owner of the Gopro. Pro.
Hi guys! Good morning! This is Kuya Jed Explorer and welcome back to my channel. It's the most beautiful time of the year for the hikers actually kasi it's the hiking season.
Take two.
Take two. Hi guys! Good morning! This is Kuya Jed Explorer and welcome back to my channel. Part 2. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Why is it the most beautiful time of the year?
Hiking season.
Yeah, it's the hiking season. Nagsimula na. So today is May 30. So today we are doing South Lawson Peak or Little Lawson. Actually, a while ago, someone asked us for direction. So we thought that the trail is that way, pero anyway, we realized later on na
You see this
we were
video? Come subscribe and hang out. Don't get mad.
so if ever you were that group who asked us for direction a while ago, we are so sorry. You were too fast. We're supposed to tell you that it was the wrong way, but yeah, yun na yan. First hike is always the most difficult because nag-a-adjust pa yung katawan mo, so yeah, hingal na hingal ako kasi first hike ko ngayong hiking season, so hopefully after 1 hour maka-adjust na yung lungs. My ever loyal hiking buddy, Harleen. Yes! 1.4 kilometers na. there. It's the ridge. Almost there. 83 meters. That's it. South Lawson Peak. After 3 hours, we are finally here at South Lawson Peak or Little Lawson Peak. Ayan. Napagod ba kayo?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Tamang no pressure.
Tamang chill.
Chill lang siya.
Chill lang siya.
Ayan.
Chill to
Ako actually napagod. Kasi first hike ko nga.